Hey guys, Saving with Shay. I am at CVS for my midweek video for you guys. Definitely have some new deals to share with y'all, which is always awesome. Can y'all hear that wind? It's like windy as heck.
And your girl got allergies. I never had allergies before I moved to the high desert, and I have allergies. And so it's like I feel like my whole face is running, and my ears keep popping. And I feel like I'm super nasal right now as well. My eyes are burning. And it's just dirt flying everywhere because it's a desert. So it's dirt flying everywhere. And so
Totally over this wind. But listen, we're headed to CVS, y'all. If you're new here, yes, if you're new here, you're just passing through, definitely smash the subscribe button while you're at it. Make sure that you hit the like button as well, support your girl. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss out on a video. So listen, I have a lot of extra care bucks expiring this week. So my goal is to just see what I can roll. If I can't roll it, we're gonna burn it. There are some rebates on Ibotta, which is awesome. And my midweek is only like, I think I have 10 for 5. So I'm hoping to get some of my rebates here at CVS. Other than that, you guys, let's head in the store and see what kind of awesome deals that we get this week at CVS. So if you wanna know what I got, what she did, keep on watching. All right, guys, so this first deal is on the Degree Unlimited. The sticks are priced at $9.99. They're also buy one get one 50% off, and they're buy two get back 3. So the first one is going to be $9.99. That second one is going to be $5, and then we're going to use a $3 manufacturer coupon. It did expire. There's also a $3 off digital as well, bringing that total down to paying $8.99. We'll get back $3 in extra care bucks, plus we'll get back $4 for each on Ibotta, making this a $2.01 money. Now, really quick, the sprays do not work. I had to do a whole return because I thought they were a part of the same promotion, but they're not. So it's just the sticks. All right, so this next deal is on the Axe deodorant. They are buy two get back 5. They're priced at $7.79. I don't have any more BOGO, so I had to use a 4 off of 2 coupon from our insert. Now, I did have a $5 extra care book that was sent to my email that I used with this deal as well. So I only paid $6.58, got back 5 in extra care bucks, plus $3 on Fetch Reward, making this a $1.42 moneymaker. Went ahead and decided to do the Axe body wash again as well. It's priced at $6.49. It's buy one get one 50% off. Also buy two get back 2. So your first one is $6.49. Your second one is $3.25. Total is going to come to $9.74. Again, using a 4 off of 2 coupon from inserts, you'll pay $5.74 out of pocket, but we'll get back $2 in extra care bucks plus $2 on Fetch Reward, bringing that down to 87 cents each. Next up, we grab the U Kotex again. These are priced at $2.09, no extra care bucks back, but we're gonna grab one. This is glitching with the Ibotta rebate for $2 back, so I went ahead and grabbed 5, made them only 9 cents each. Great way to convert some of those extra care bucks to cash. All right, had to do Eucerin again because this is such a great deal, and I had 4 cards, but 5 off 20 lotion CRTs. So for this deal, it is spend 20, get back 10. I went ahead and grabbed the small ones at $6.79. 3 of them is going to be $20.37. I have a 5 off 20 CRT that I use, as well as a 5 off of 2 manufactured from inserts, plus a 3 off of 1 as well. Brought that total down to $7.37, getting back the 10, making it a $2.63 moneymaker. All right, so Clairol is buy 2 get back 4. We're going to grab 2. They're priced at $9.49. The total is going to come to $18.98. We have a BOGO coupon from our inserts that is glitching with the BOGO digital, bringing that down to paying $3 out of pocket, but we're going to get back 4, making this a $1 moneymaker. Now, I don't have it on my Shopkick anymore, but if you do have it, it'll be a much bigger moneymaker for you. And of course, we had to do CoverGirl. It's a tier deal, so it's buy 2 get 4 or buy 3 get back 7. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and grab 3, of course. We're grabbing the pencils, priced at $4.99. That total is going to come to $14.97. Now for this, we're using $3 coupons from the inserts, which we just got. There's also a $2 CRT that I wasn't aware of on Sunday, so I definitely am happy that I finally saw that. You'll pay $3.97, get back 7, making this a $3.03 moneymaker. Our next deal is going to be on the Almay. The store closest to my house, they don't even carry Almay, so I had to come down to this store. It is buy 2 get back 5, and it's also a limit of 6, which is awesome. And so for this, we're going to go ahead and grab the eyeshadows price at $8.49. I'm going to grab 5 of these, and I'm also going to be grabbing the face product. The cheapest one I could find was $11.49. Now that total is going to come to $53.94. I do have an 8 off of 40 I'm going to use with this deal. And then I'm using 6 of the $3 coupons that we just got in our inserts. which is then going to bring this total down to $27.94. But we're going to get back 15 in extra care bucks and another $18 on Ibotta, making this a $5.06 moneymaker, you guys, which is so freaking awesome. And so if you have the threshold CRTs, definitely do this deal. All right, guys, so I know we don't pay for razors, but I did get two $2 extra care bucks in my email, and so I decided to toss one on this transaction. All right, so the check is on sale for $6.99. It's also spend 15, get back 5. So for this, I grabbed 3 of them. I used a $4 printable from coupons.com. Mine's expired on the 31st. I also had 2 $4 digitals as well that I used, along with that $2 extra care buck. I ended up paying $6.97 out of pocket, getting back the 5, bringing them down to only 65 cents each. In this deal, I used the other $2 extra care buck. So for this one, the code is buy 2 get back 4. They're priced at $5.29, so I grabbed 2 of them. There's a $4 off of 2 digital as well. And again, I stacked it with the $2 extra care buck that I got to my email. I ended up paying $4.58 out of pocket, getting back the 4 in extra care bucks, bringing them down to 29 cents each. Really quick, I also did the Almay again. I grabbed it on a different card. 2 of the eyeshadows at $8.49. I do have a 4 off 16 CRT as well that I stacked with 2 of the $3 coupons. I paid $6.98 out of pocket. I'm getting back 5 in extra care bucks and then $6 on Ibotta, making them both free plus a $4.02 moneymaker. All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. I was gonna lie and say I'm done this week, y'all, but look, let me just be honest. If UCoTex reset, if Degree Unlimited reset, what else? If the Almay reset, your girl will be back. But for the most part, for the deals per se, I'm done this week, which is cool because it's only Tuesday. And so I want to say everything worked out perfectly today, y'all, but it did not. I had 2 fumbles. So I ended up getting 2 8 off of 40s on 2 different cards, which is cool because I haven't gotten those through my email in a long time. I've been getting the percent off, but I told you I'm not really doing percents off right now. And so I was super excited to get the 8 off of 40s. And then I also got a 5 off purchase. And then I had 2 $2 extra care bucks. So I actually just put under coupons because the $2 was for free. So I was super stoked about that. Now, 2 of my cards, I haven't gotten any CRTs or anything. So I'm hoping, hopefully soon, I'll start getting them on those cards. But as of now, I'm only getting CRTs on 3 out of 5 accounts. All right, so went and did one huge transaction using the 8 off of 40. Coupons wasn't scanning, thought they scanned, didn't scan, so I had to do this whole return without the receipt. I'm just so happy that I have really awesome managers, to be honest, y'all, because I was able to return the products the coupons didn't come off on and then basically repurchase them. All right, and then the other fumble was the unlimited. I got the sprays thinking that they worked for this promo and they didn't. I should have known, obviously, they didn't ring up buy one, get one 50% off. And so I had to return those. I did it with the receipt. I wasn't sure how it was going to be because sometimes returning stuff, y'all, when you use coupons and it's just a mess. But it worked out. Those didn't work. But those are my fumbles today, y'all. Total fumbles. But again, 2 different stores. Managers are freaking awesome. And so definitely love that. I did like 10 transactions. You know, I could show y'all some receipts, but I did 10 transactions. Everything here, besides those 2 fumbles, worked out pretty good. I don't have any more BOGOs. I actually had a BOGO, but I cut it too close and they couldn't scan it. So I had to use a 4 off 2s. On that deal. But again, since I had the 5 off purchase and I have the $2 coupons, it still worked anyways. And so everything you see here retails $372.51, which is crazy, right? All of that is probably the freaking hair dye. And then, because those are like, what, almost $10 each? So that's like $80 right there off the top. And so I had $239 in coupon CRTs and digitals. Again, I did add the $2 extra care bucks, the 2 into that as well, because it was free. And so I added that under my coupons. So my out of pocket was $132. Walk away with $123 in extra care bucks, $42 on Ibotta, which was for the Almay, the deodorant. And actually, I had submitted the receipt for the sprays, y'all, before I realized that it didn't count because the extra care bucks went to my card. And after the fact, I realized that it didn't count, so I had to return it. So I'm thinking that Ibotta will obviously reverse it when it catches up to them. But as of now, I did get back that $8 for that. And what else was it? Ibotta, Almay, deodorant, and the Eucotex. Fetch Reward was just $5. It was $3 for the deodorant and $2 for the body wash. So I've had to have my receipts corrected numerous times just to get that to go through on Fetch for the body wash. But yeah, it is what it is on that. Other than that, I got back a total of $170, making everything you see here free plus $37.41. I feel like this should be like a Walmart haul with such a huge moneymaker. And I was actually going to go back and try to do like a household deal. But you know what? To be honest, I can't ever bring myself to do it with just the stack right here. I just can't bring myself to do it. I was though, because I was like, maybe I should suck up some of this money, but I just can't do it. And this week it's not the greatest deal anyways, at least not in my opinion. And so other than that, you guys, it's all free plus $37.41, and I think my tax for this was like $26.30 or something like that. So even after tax, we still make like $10, which is cool. So other than that, if you got to this point in the video, Josiah's at school, y'all. If you got to this point in the video, you guys, I would love to know what's your favorite deal this week at CVS, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.